Hi, this is Kelly from Kelly's Maskerade. You can find me on Etsy, and today I wanted to go over how to properly put on the face mask that I sell on Etsy. So as you can see, this face mask is a little different than most of the ones you see out there, so I just want to make sure you're squared away on how to properly put it on. What you're going to do first is you're going to put it over your head with the filter insert part facing up. So this is where you would install your shop towel if you want to. Now I use 3 pieces of fabric for each mask, so it's very, very durable. And I want to show you how to put it on without the shop towel right now. So basically you have the filter insert by your face. You're going to take it up like so and pull the drawstrings horizontal and tight. You're going to tie it behind your head, over your ear, into a little bow. And as you can see, it's super, super tight. Nothing's getting through here, but it's also very comfortable. Now I'm going to administer the flame test to see, without the shop towel, if I can blow this thing out. This flame isn't going out. So, as you can tell, there's a lot of layers here, and it's extremely strong. Now, all you have to do to take it off is to undo, pull it down, pull it this way. Now, if you do want to install the shop towel, you can do that as well. You just put it inside the filter here, insert, and you can get these shop towels at Harbor Freight or AutoZone, any of those places. They're very common to come by, and then you've got the shop towel in there. So to take it off, you just pull it out again, and this is machine washable, so all you have to do, I suggest, is to tie the ends together just to make sure they don't come undone, and you can put it in the washing machine. I suggest that you line dry it and without putting it in the dryer, just to preserve the material. But when you need to use it again, just undo it like so, and you're good to go. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and hope to see you soon, and stay safe out there.